accelerating and then letting off doesn't allow for that knock. If I just accelerate a little bit, the knock comes in. But if I gas it a little more, the knock does not make the same amount of sound. If I keep it around 60, which would be right around 3,000 RPMs in fifth, it does not make the same sound. Only when I let off the accelerator.